practice it. Get out and do something. Try something new. So take that 5 to 10% that you're going to learn today from each of your sessions and flex it. Do it. Turn back to either that friend you met or meet a new friend. Define that term. What is leadership? Right? Take 1 minute, have a little conversation with somebody. What is leadership? What do we got? What is leadership? Yeah.
Take charge.
Taking charge, taking initiative, moving ahead. I love it. Other thoughts on leadership? Yeah.
I always put it as bringing together a bunch of different people and personalities to achieve a goal.
Bringing together diverse people, personalities, and skill sets to achieve a goal. Excellent. What else? Leadership. Yeah.
Making sure people are in the right spots to succeed.
Ooh, get the sort of the right butt in the right role, so to speak, right? Excellent. I love that. Yeah.
Setting the example for the people.
Set it, lead by example. Excellent. What are good mindsets that leaders have?
Servant leadership.
Tell me more about servant leadership.
Not just you do this, I'm going to help you do it, how can I support you? Kind of working next to empower you to do more.
Work next to someone, work with someone to show instruction, obviously potentially make some correction, but get in the trenches, get your hands dirty and do it. Excellent. A true servant leader tends to be pretty rare, but we can create mechanisms to try to engage some of those. You say, yeah, I'm open to feedback, people give it to you, and then you don't change. That's even worse than not even giving people an opening, because then you're telling them, I don't value your opinions, I don't value you as a worker, right? That's bad. So creating an opening, engaging in what I call a coaching conversation, allowing them to coach you and being open to that and listening, but then acting on that feedback you received is the most important piece. And then I'd add one more thing. You got to advertise the action. What does that mean? If you're changing in the workplace, and you're making that commitment to do something differently and break the stereotype your workers have of you, what does advertising your action mean?
People need to know it.
Yeah, you got to say, look, I get it. I can be a bit abrasive at times. I know this, the feedback's there, the data's there. I truly am trying to improve. You got to tell people that you're trying to improve and then actually be trying to improve. Because we remember negative behaviors way more than people changing to positive behaviors, right? That goes back to our evolutionary biology. So give the opening, have dialogue coaching session, take change based on what you learn is how that looks.